Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and clear your Waze search history. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and we will simply just start our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, what you gotta do is open your app up. So if you go to the search bar option, you will be able to see all of your search history, right? So you can simply go and tap on a three dot icon given, tap on it. Right, so if you even tap on it, you can simply go ahead, resume your route again, but you cannot delete it. So what you can do is go back, tap on this My Waze option, and then you will simply be able to see all of your search history right there. Tap on this three dot given beside the search history, and tap on this remove option given, tap on it, again tap on remove, and as you can see that particular location is removed. Again go ahead, tap on this three dot, tap on this remove, again confirm, and it's removed as well. So you don't have an option called where you can simply go ahead, select all of your history and delete it. You gotta do it like that. So yes guys, thank you so much for watching. This is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful, and yes, I will see you guys next time.